A ti gweld nhw drwy'r dydd, Côr Ffermwyr Hawkstone, mae yna 3 aelod o'r côr yn fan hyn, Ben, Hugh a Katrina. Croeso i Lanelwedd.
Thank you, diolch yn fawr.
A chi'n gyfarwydd fel un o'r Sir Benfro efo'r siow, siwr o fod?
Wel, o'n i'n cystadlu yma bob blwyddyn ar cyffylau a bethau. Mae ferch i Helen wedi wneud yn dda iawn, mae wedi cael champion 2 waith.
Ardderchog.
Saith sadl wedyn.
Felly, beth am i ni gael cyflwyniad i'r ffermwyr i'r? Felly, Hugh, beth o ble a pha fath o fferm sydd gennych chi?
Hugh Thomas, dwi'n byw Rynt Aberteifi a Abergwaun yn gogledd Sir Benfro. A i ni'n agor nawr mis Awst am sunflowers a maize. Mae rhywbeth wahanol a yn October wedyn i ni'n agor am pumpkins.
Alright, pumpkins, mae hwnna'n fusnes mawr wedi mynd, ydy. Katrina, I've just been asking Hugh about his farm, where he comes from. Maybe you'd like to answer the same question?
So I'm not quite as local. I come from Northumberland and we're livestock farmers. Myself, my husband and my 3 children. We've been very fortunate to be able to. We were tenant farmers, we've just bought our own farm. So
really?
Yeah, literally a day before we won BGT.
Oh,
so
what a week!
It all happened, all at once. Yeah.
And Ben, I'll ask you the same question.
So I'm a 4th generation arable farmer in March in Cambridgeshire. Sadly, I don't speak Welsh like Hugh, but yeah, we grow milling wheat, sugar beet, peas, beans, and yeah, have wind turbines.
Wow. So, now on to the singing then. Let me take you back to that final, Britain's Got Talent.
Yeah.
In a sentence, can you kind of describe that whirlwind experience?
I mean, it was just so overwhelming, wasn't it? It was just, yeah, once in a lifetime. You know, like for us to have the chance to, you know, shine a light on British agriculture has just meant everything to us. And yeah, it's just been so surreal, the whole thing. It's been amazing, isn't it?
It has absolutely been amazing. We never planned it. And being the sort of eldest member in the choir, I never expected to be on, well, Britain's Got Talent. You know, it was just amazing.
Yes. Well, you could feel it watching from home, really. How would you describe the...
Incredible. I feel like it's a dream still. I actually think this is just the start for us. We've got quite big things coming.
You have, haven't you?
We have, yeah.
This afternoon, starting with this afternoon.
We're at the pinnacle of our career so far. So, yeah, it's been incredible.
And how do you feel about this afternoon's performance?
We can't wait. The crowd, I think, will be fantastic. The sun's shining. And what would be a better place than surrounded by our own people?
Yeah.
Well, to be singing in the premier show in God's country, what more can you ask?
Oh, Hugh, chi'n deud y gwir. Yeah, you're looking forward to it, Ben?
I can't wait. Yeah, I can't wait.
Can I ask you, did you do any singing before you joined the choir?
No, so I've never sung before. Never sung in front of anybody before. The first thing I ever did was do the Hawkstone advert, and I was near on miming. And now, potentially today, I might have to do a solo. So,
can I ask, why did you kind of take part?
I just thought push myself out my comfort zone and yeah, just give it a go. I saw an advert in the paper, just thought, yeah, I'll just go for it. And here we are, it's led us to this, isn't it?
Be oeddech chi'n canu, Hugh?
Dwi wedi canu yn côr a canu pryd o'n i'n ifancach yn YFC a pethau fel hynny a ddim mlaen i'r competitions a fethau, ond dwi ddim wedi canu yn unigol am blynyddoedd mawr.
Yeah. What about this?
I just think being a mother and a farmer's wife, and I run a glamping business, it's not very often that I do something for myself. And this is for myself, but also for a much wider reason than just me or you. I think that shining light on, and if you're not feeling okay, especially in agriculture, it's not said very often. And that's become really apparent as this journey's continued. And I think we'd just like to be able to say, if you're not feeling okay, speak up if you can. That's the hardest thing.
Well, it's wonderful to see you all singing, but more than that, the message you're conveying, it's such an important one, isn't it? And it's keep shining the light.
Yeah, exactly.
This is home, boys. This is home.
Yeah.
This is home.
Can't wait.
Good
Yeah,
title.
mae'n wych yn dydi. So, edrych ymlaen at eich gweld chi'n canu nes ymlaen.
Well, 5:30 yn main ring yn y Royal Welsh.
We'll be there. Mi fyddwn ni yna. Go for it, boys.
Diolch yn fawr.